This is for problems 32 through 36 on practice midterm 2. And the question is, indicate whether, and I misspelled whether on the test, so I tried to spell it correctly here. Hopefully I got it correct. Each of the following reactions is A, an acid-base reaction, B, redox reaction, or C, a metathesis reaction. So we're testing your ability to recognize a reaction as to which one of these elementary categories it falls in. It's that simple. So the first reaction we have, number 32. I've got aqueous chlorine plus, and that is the halogen, that's Cl2 aqueous, plus 2 sodium bromides aqueous, and it's going to give me bromine, aqueous halogen, Br2 aqueous, plus 2 sodium chlorides aqueous. In this case, it's the halide. And this, we can recognize, the big tell here is on either side, if on either side of the reaction you've got an element in its zero oxidation state, it's going to be a redox reaction, because on one side it's in the zero oxidation state, it's in a different oxidation state. On the other side, it's a redox reaction. And so obviously this is a single displacement. We can recognize that as a single displacement, which is falls into category B. So you fill in bubble B on your Scantron and write a B, a hard copy on the test. Now, the second one, number 33, is as barium nitrate aqueous plus sodium sulfate aqueous, going to give barium sulfate solid product plus 2 sodium nitrates aqueous. Well, obviously, I've got a precipitate. I have got an exchange of partners, a double displacement, or a change of partners, a metathesis process. So this is going to be a simple metathesis, so that would be option C. Now the third, or 34, is 2 magnesium solids plus O2 gas, and then I've got a little delta over the arrow, which signifies heat upon heating. I get 2 magnesium oxide solids. This is classic, obviously. I've got a pure element on the zero oxidation state on the left. I've got 2 pure elements on the zero oxidation states on the left. Same elements on the right, not in the zero oxidation state. This is a redox reaction. Clear and simple, also known as a combustion reaction. But, this is redox, so B is the right option. So fill in the B bubble on the Scantron, put a B hard copy on the test. Now number 35, I've got 2 hydrobromic acids, aqueous, plus potassium carbonate, again aqueous, and they combine together to give me 2 potassium bromides, aqueous, plus water, liquid, plus carbon dioxide, gas. Well, this is, if we were going to, in our analysis, we would look at that I've got a hydrogen ion, I've got a carbonate ion. That was what led me to know that it was going to be CO2 gas and water. That is a neutralization reaction. As clear as the nose on your face, and so that one is A, acid base. So you fill in that bubble and and write a hard copy on the test. So do both of those. And now the last in this series is problem 36, where I am given 2 silver nitrates aqueous plus zinc solid, going to 2 silvers solid plus zinc nitrate aqueous. Again, we've got the big tell here. We've got a pure element in its zero oxidation state on one side, and it's in a different oxidation state on the other. And again, I've got a pure element on the product side, but it's not a pure element on the left. So the silver is obviously being reduced and the zinc is being oxidized, and this is a redox reaction. So, or called a single displacement reaction. This would be option B. So you fill in the bubble B, and in addition to, not or, write B on the hard copy on the test. And that's that series.